Hello, and welcome to our SkillsEngine tutorial on downloading and copying a profile. In this video, I will show you how to download a profile's data and copy it for your use. Open the profile you wish to download. At the top right corner of the profile page, click the Download button. The profile data, including all of the skills and skill sets, will be downloaded as a CSV file to your device. Locate the downloaded CSV file on your device. It is typically saved in your default download folder. Open the file to view and manipulate the profile data as needed. You can also copy out the skills and skill sets in a profile. To copy all of the skills in a profile, use the Copy button at the top of the skill sets section. To copy an individual skill set, hover over its title and click the three dots icon that appears. Then click Copy. To copy any individual skill instead, click the three dots icon next to its name and click the Copy button. Open any document or application where you want to paste the copied data. Use the Paste function to insert the copied skills or skill sets. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and copied a profile in SkillsEngine. This process allows you to easily transfer and utilize profile data for various purposes. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching.